Welcome friends. This video will make us understand the goodness of cartoons. Dear children, cartoons are meant for learning life lessons, but cartoons cannot make your life. So use sensibly and have a happy childhood. Dora the Explorer communicates to be friendly and intelligent. If you fall down, pick yourself up. Dust yourself off and carry the lessons forward. It also tells us to be helpful to others and also be adventurous. Tom and Jerry relays the message that confidence matters and size doesn't matter. Sharing is caring. Failure is the escalator to success. Learn from your failures. A little home, sufficient food, and a true friend is enough to be happy. So stay strong and be kind. Masha and the bear imparts the goodness that don't seek to be better than others, seek to be better yourself. Make the trouble, fix the trouble. Girls power, kids powers. Even magical powers. Kids are kids. Have patience like the poor bear. The cartoon Chhota Bheem teaches the true sportsmanship, to stay united and to be generous. Stay positive no matter how difficult life gets. Stay alert, be honest, wise and bold. Stop being jealous. Barbie says pets are fun. Barbie had over 70 pets including dogs, cats and parrots. Pokemon series taught us to go beyond mediocrity and always strive to become the best. Just be innovative and survival will be easy. Looney Tunes communicates perseverance is the important success factor. Be yourself, no matter how weird or different. In Johnny Bravo, Bravo taught us to keep trying and trying harder every time. Being scared of our flaws never helped anyone. This poor boy got rejected by so many, but his confidence always remained intact. Finding Nemo says, life will let us down sometimes, but we have still got to swim and keep swimming. Doraemon imparts the message that observe what's useful and reject the rest. Be friendly and intelligent. If you fall down, pick yourself up, dust yourself off and carry the lessons forward. Tweety, she was tiny, but she lived on the principle that size doesn't matter. Tweety taught us the most relevant lesson, how to think quickly on our feet. Richie Rich was rich, but he used his money for all the right reasons. SpongeBob SquarePants showed the brighter side of things even if no one else did. The Mask reveals that you always need a little bit of crazy in your life. Scooby-Doo teaches to look well before you conclude. Beware of strangers. Face your fears to overcome them. Ching Chong shows the caring towards family and friends, fearlessness, enjoying life to the fullest, always show your emotions, be clear about everything. Mr. Bean tells us to embrace your inner child and be yourself. Think out of the box. Enjoy every little thing. When you want something, find a way. always put in touch of humor. When it comes to talking, less is more. We can all make a little less noise like Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean rarely speaks, and when he does, it is so generally only a few mumbled words here and there. Yet, he is able to convey every emotions and situation without the need for words. Dear parents, let your kids enjoy and learn through cartoons. If you have not watched these cartoons, do watch with your kids and teach them the goodness. Have a happy parenting. Thank you.